in the afternoon. That's why we can always
No, after
balance.
that.
That's
you
why
have-
we learn about the statistics. That's why I told you we work on the way like this. That's a suite mansard. That's we got 16 in the 17 suites. We got 16 prestige suites.
Wow.
The 16 prestige suites got a unique name and special decoration. This one is Mansart. Mansart was the architect of. You can.
No, this is bigger.
Yeah, but the problem is it's raining.
No problem.
Hold on. Regarde, look.
Beautiful rain.
In Paris, it's always better. Oh, but- like this you can-
Wow.
But you got a 45 square meters terrace with transat and barbecue and 360-degree on Paris. Pardon. Yes. Alors, just to let you know for your VVIPs who like to, for clients who like to book Vendôme Square View, I don't have rooms and suites. I only have 10 prestige suites got the view.
So like this.
This one. Then you got on the first and the second and the third floor, you got Coco Chanel, you got the Windsor Suite, you got the Imperial Suite. That's all the ones who got the view. For example, here you got Eiffel Tower view, but we never confirm Eiffel Tower view because we got many of them. But if you go on below floors, we got the trees, and with the leaf of the trees during summer, you can't get the view. That's why we never confirm. It's always a surprise, I'd say.
So beautiful
When-
trees.
Yeah. Regarding the bathrooms,
So 1 kilogram будет lotion.
well, just one point different about the bathrooms of the prestige suites, they got the steam in the shower. Here. That's why you got the temperature just there. After, all the bathrooms are the same. Would be, for the rooms and the suites of the hotel, it's the same shower, with the bunk always to sit in. It's always walking access, the shower, sorry. It's always 2 sinks, and it's always bath tube separated of the rain shower. That's the standard.
What is inside?
Ritz is we decided to create our own amenities.
It's
I
like.
mean the texture, the flavor, the perfume, sorry, are own. So we did many tests in 2015 before to reopen, and that's why the texture is very on the. It's been tested by our spa manager, by our many people before to be.
It's everything from beginning. This one.
It's from
From beginning.
yeah. You know everything. And this one the same. This one 80% are original of 1898. We polished all of them, gold leaf 24 carat on it, and back. Containing the keys of the lights, like you show me, all are original of 1898. We just added the dim up in the wall now.
Super.
All the hotel is Louis XV style, mean very classical French decoration.
This one, what is this?
It's a maquette of
maquette of Vendôme.
de la Vendôme, exactement.
Mhm.
It's original maquette of the epoch.
Original.
In this suite, for example, you got a second bathroom, you got a sofa bed like this. You can get a child or another adult here,
So
and you got instead of to get you got just the rain shower. You don't have the bath tube, but you got toilets,
Mhm.
sink, and the rain shower. And you see, we reopened in 2016.
Mhm.
It's still like yesterday.
Yes.
Because the most difficult thing for a palace is to maintain the
To
quality.
maintain. Mhm.
That's the most difficult things. And our chance, as we got only whole furnitures, and our technical team, there are about 60 people, they are all day long taking care of those chairs, those sofas, but they know exactly how to maintain. And our clients really appreciate that. I'm telling that because they do the information for us. That's my colleague. Bonjour. Bienvenue.